Hello again, everybody. Welcome to the Breakaway C box break. This is for the 2013-2014 Upper Deck Series 1 box break number 41. Here's the last of it for auction. There's Edmonton. So in the box is NE200030905. That's NE200030905. Well, here we go. Good luck, everybody. MVP Sidney Crosby for the Penguins. Young Guns Emerson Etem for the Ducks. Canvas Thomas Buchanan for the Canadiens. And Shining Stars of Evgeny Malkin for the Penguins. All base. Young Guns Jonas Brodin for the Wild. MVP Roberto Luongo for the Canucks. Okay, here was Ray Bork for the Bruins. Jersey card for the Stars, Eric Lindros. Canvas Antti Niemi for the Sharks. Young Guns Tyler Toffoli for the Kings. All base. Canvas Phil Kessel for the Leafs. Shining Stars Alex Galchenyuk for Montreal. All base. Young Guns Jacob Trouba for the Jets. MVP rookie Nathan Beaulieu for the Canadiens. Hockey Heroes Yari Curry for the Oilers. Got a jersey card, Matt Duchene for the Avalanche. MVP Ron Francis for the Whalers. The card goes to Carolina. Young Guns Bo Bennett for the Penguins. Camus Sakakuyu for the Ducks. Young Guns Valeri Nichushkin for the Stars. And the last pack. MVP for the Oilers, Taylor Hall. And there we go. So thank you very much everybody for watching. Hope to see you again next time.